Hey everyone, a huge welcome to anyone new to this channel. It's awesome to have you here. We have got a super interesting topic today, identification of interjection. Get ready to learn how to connect your thoughts and make your sentences flow. Interjection. An interjection is a word or phrase used to express certain feelings, like joy, surprise, or sorrow. They often stand on their own and are followed by an exclamation mark. For example, hooray is used to show joy. Hooray, we won the match. It's like a joy feeling. If you won the match, you say it, hooray. If you something good, feels good, or feeling enjoyment, that you say hooray like that. Second one, bravo, expresses praise or approval. Example, bravo, the players have performed well. It's a praise. The third example, alas, is used for the sorrow or grief. For example, alas, his only son is dead. The fourth one is can express a variety of emotions including realization or the sorrow. Example, I am ruined. That is all for today's episode. A massive thank you for joining us into this deep dive into interjection. We hope you had a good time learning with us. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and ring that notification bell icon so you will never miss our next episode. Stay curious. Until next time, everyone.